Hi, so I'm continuing to add some stuff here to my little program to use PDF, and I'm willing to make it more with more features. And now what we have here, we have the input file that is into an input folder. Here we got the files that we want to split, and here we get the files that we want to split from this one will be splitted, and the splitted pages will go in the output. So we get this list. These are the splitted pages, and this is the original file. Now if you want to remove the output, if you don't want it anymore, you press this button and you can see that we have no files in here. If you want to split this one, we're gonna double click on it, or you can also use split and split file, wait for a minute, and then you get all your file. Another thing that I added is this bind to the second list here, this bind double button, and with always start file lb2 get lb2 car selection, so that it will now be able to see each one of these pages, double clicking on it so that you can check them. And so that's what I did until now. You see that I can change the sides here, and somehow it adjusts the sides of my lists and my buttons. And so that's all for now. This is the code updated of my, what do I call this, PdfPython little script to make things with PDF, where I want to join in all the different features, to split, to join, and something like this into maybe one graphic user interface.